I use this resolve lower to create many, many babies, 100 for infertility. Okay, any questions? Yeah.
When, and this may be for the class, as far as taking the pulse, you start very light, and that's where you're looking. So in the course of taking the pulse, do you press hard down to the bone?
Yes, of course.
Look for that?
Yeah. But you have to release it immediately. You don't hold it there.
Okay.
Oh, I can find anything. I can find it. You have to release it and do it again. Do it again. Yes. Huh. That's bone spur. Usually we don't have that deep on the right side. There's another pulse for like this, the same condition, but it's not so deep. It's right in the middle. That's bone spur, the neck. Yeah. Oh, the back. Disc pressure, Yinqiao. There's something, the things that you ask is something similar to this Yinqiao. We call it Yinqiao. But usually, I don't see Yinqiao on the right side because bone spur pulse is right down your third finger, just exactly at the chi area. Of course, it will extend a little bit, but Yinqiao extended more. Yinqiao's very thin pulse seems to be floating in the muscle. It's not so stable. Not like the Ren Mai is all just like a sunken submarine, so sitting on the bed, seabed, not moving at all. The Yinqiao is somehow between. This is, for example, this is the skin. This is the bottom, the bone. The Yinqiao seems to be just one line, not two. Just one line floating, can be anywhere. You push harder, it's gone and appear again. But the condition has to be very thin and very long. For example, this is the Cun Guan Chi. Okay, this is all extended over. Might not be that long for arm. If it's not that long, that would be the Du Mai. Du Mai usually thicker. So it's supposed to be stop here. I just want to stretch it, so make it thinner. Okay? So if it happens, if the very thin, very tight pulse appears in the muscle flowing or something, that's Yinqiao. Yinqiao sometimes means bone spur and three more things: hemorrhoid, constipation, skin allergy.
What do you find mostly? If you had to pick one, what is it usually?
The pain or something.
The pain.
I usually just say it, believe it or not. The constipation is very 有争议性，怎么讲？ It's not controversial. It's
争议性. They don't admit. You mean? When you tell them they
yeah,
have
they don't know
constipation, they
definition
say no?
of. This is a problem with the definition of constipation. Sometimes they say, I don't have constipation. I go to the bathroom 3 times every 3 days. This is not constipation. And they have they have a little diarrhea. They go to the bathroom 3-4 times a day. Still, they have a constipation. So because those things are dirty, stuck inside, not clearly out. So the definition is fine. So I never argue with them. If they refuse to say so, okay, I don't spend time arguing with them. If you don't go to the bathroom, sometimes they go to the bathroom every day, but still constipated. It's proven in the medical theory. So hemorrhoid, I don't have hemorrhoid. Okay, I've seen because how do I know this stuff? Because in Taiwan, sometimes a lot of the time they bring the blood test report to you. Hey doctor, this is I check. Hey, you have hemorrhoid. He said, I don't feel anything. So that's a long time ago. So then I know there could be big stuff in there without any symptoms. Even some ladies, the report said you have discharge or something. And I said, do you feel anything? No. Even the lady doesn't know she has vaginal discharge herself. I can understand why, but That's what says so. So then a lot of time that people don't have symptoms, even hemorrhoid. Sometimes, so I just tell them, if you refuse to admit it, that's okay, no big deal, because he might not be there for the hemorrhoid, for something else. So leave it. What's this?
I put down your formulas for dry skin rash, for wet skin rash. These are very good formulas. Almost everybody I give to, or my customers' patients, works very, very well. And then poor circulation formula.
You want to give him a test now? Oh, it's 1 o'clock.
Hemorrhoid, constipation. Oh, we don't have formula for hemorrhoid and constipation. What do you use?
That's easy. Constipation, you can use anything. 大承气, 小承气, whatever. Hemorrhoid is a little bit interesting. I use my heartbreakers. 25. 真人活命25. Extringent 25. 芍药汤 25. But if the hemorrhoid was caused by constipation, you have to put a little bit for the 润肠 or something. But why do I use 芍药汤? You can use 芍药汤like 15% and leave another 10% for constipation if he has it. So why use 芍药汤? I use 芍药汤for a certain purpose. What's 芍药汤? Huh? No. You know, I've come to several patients with they have the hemorrhoid because they squat. I have a friend. He's the doctor of the military general hospital. He is a very good doctor. 主任 is chief doctor or something. He was practicing Tai Chi. He was young and strong, very strong. And suddenly his rectum dropped, collapsed or something, stick out of the, and he was strong, so his anus just squeezed back, so leave the bunch of meat outside. He's a surgical doctor. Come on, he went all the way to other, those what do you call it? 草药医生叫什么? Yeah, without any license on the practice on the street or something, he went to all this help because nobody can help him. Finally, he had just some injection and like painkiller or something, 止痛药叫什么? And have his colleague push them back. Yeah.
Heartbreaker is a name Jimmy gives to his own combination. We listed here somewhere in the beginning. Yeah, the combination of those 3 herbs in equal proportion is what he calls heartbreaker.
And people squat. They do weightlifting or doing things kneeling down or something. That cause too much pressure on the anus and causing this. That 芍药汤, it was used to put it up, to put things upward, to put it up. So shrink all those prolapse, to lift it. But I don't think it works here because the major ingredient is the muxiang and binlang, and binlang is forbidden.
Binlang is forbidden in California, not out of California.
Oh, good. We're in California.
So what's the difference between 芍药汤 and 补中益气汤?
No, 补中益气汤 is useless. Don't use.
Both of them lift, right?
Lift my.
Lift your.
No, it doesn't. 补中益气汤 is totally useless. Cause more problem. But the 芍药汤, oh good, you're not in California, you're lucky. You can use it.